Hello and welcome to Magical Maiden's Jewelry Tutorials. I'm Magical Maiden. Okay, so what I have for you today is it's just a really quick one because my battery's getting low on my computer and I don't feel like running to get the cord. So some of you may have seen the video where I showed you all these magical, really cool pieces of filigree connectors. They're big. I mean, look. And sorry, the phone's ringing. And some of them are smaller, but I'm going to ignore it. Some of them are smaller. I already made a lariat necklace using one of these. I mean, there's so much here. There's a lot of goodies. Just ignore the ringing of the phone. Okay, so I'm just going to give you some ideas. Now this, I'm going to make like a lariat necklace when I get a chance. I love lariat necklaces. I love things going like this and hanging down. And what I'm going to do is these are flexible and bendy. Okay, they're supposed to be so you can work with them. And I'm going to attach like chain with maybe some nice shiny beads. And then I'm going to put a shiny rhinestone right in the center. I'll glue it with some E6000 glue and a toothpick. And then something else attached to this hanging. So that's an idea that I have for that, which I probably won't do today. This they only gave me 2, but these are going to make great earrings. And all I have to do is hook some 2 earring fish hooks and they're going to make great earrings. And I love them. They're pretty, but not today. So here's another thing. Now I got a bunch of these dragonflies, but they don't give you any hooks or holes to put jump rings. So I'm going to get like one of these larger pendant trays. They didn't come with a glass cabochon. I'm going to do something in the background. Now either I'm going to use some glitter cardstock, cut it out and glue it, and then glue this to that, or I am going to paint it with some nail polish. Now what I can do is I can kind of bend the wings up and then glue that, and I think it gives it a 3-dimensional look. Okay, like I said, the background will be a different color, so this will really stand out. Keep in mind, you can paint all of these things. You can use spray paint or nail polish or paint. And that's another idea that I do have. And that's why these things are good to be flexible. I'll put the link to all those attachments. I don't know if I have the link to these beautiful pendants. I made all my beach. This came in a collection where I made all my beach necklaces. You can see in my jewelry tutorial playlist. And it came with something like this. And this is good like if you do resin. And it came with an assortment, which I do not have with me. Okay, so that was that idea. Next idea, it came with these pieces. But what's good with this is there's a few of them. So you could take 2 like this, and they have loops that you could easily hook jump ring and chain, whatever. And in the center, you can put whatever you want. You know? Oh, those are my cats. They think it's lunchtime, but it's not. So they're carrying on. So here you go. You could put like 2 of these things, and then you could put either a larger, or you can have a smaller pendant hanging from that, or you can have some kind of a ornate bead, teardrop bead hanging. But this will make a very nice necklace as well. So these are just some ideas that I wanted to throw at you with these beautiful filigree connecting pieces. And this is rhodium. They came in silver, gold, and some, I think, bronzy color. But they all have different things in them, a different collection. So if you didn't see that jewelry tutorial, go ahead and watch it on my jewelry tutorial playlist. And then go watch the jewelry tutorial where I used this piece and I made a nice lariat and I glued a acrylic gemstone. And I mean, there's so many great pieces, and you can use them in scrapbooking and so many other ways. So that was just a really quick, fast video I wanted to make showing you different ideas that you can do. And I will be crafting soon, but now I have to hurry up and clean up. So that's why this is short, because I have to run and go somewhere. And my cats obviously want lunch by their meowing. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my videos. Don't forget, if you're not subscribed, do that now. Click the notification bell so you're notified when I upload my newest content. And also like, share, and please comment if you have a question or you just want to say hello. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in my videos. Bye.